Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of Gradio, a fantastic framework for creating intuitive and interactive machine learning interfaces. So Gradio simplifies the process of building machine learning models and deploying them with a user-friendly interfaces. Let's jump into some coding and see how easy it is to get started. So what I'm going to do is, there is this code that we have. So I'm going to copy this code from Gradio's quick start guide. This link I'm going to share you, or you can just Google it, uh, the Gradio guide, and you will get the link. And I'm going to have this project created in my VS Code. Let me create new file, that is gradio underscore demo.py, and I'm going to copy paste this code as it is. So before we explain, what we need to do is we need to install Gradio using command pip install Gradio. So this is our first line. You can see in the code we are importing this Gradio as shear. This grid function is a simple function that we have defined. It returns hello and the parameters we passed, name and the intensity. And next is very important line. You can see this interface. Interface is Gradio's main high level class and allows you to create a web-based GUI demo around a machine model or any Python function in a few lines of code. So this is actually a web interface where we are passing function grid and we are setting up input text and slider. So there are multiple types of inputs, like for machine learning program we need image, audio or video, this kind of inputs. These all inputs are supported by Gradio. And output, similarly we have output like text, audio, video. So this kind of outputs are supported by Gradio. So let's run this. Let me run this. So let me copy this link. Yeah, so you can see now I'll type my name here, Ashish, and intensity right now is 0. So I can use, so this is a slider created by Gradio. Let me set it to 15. And if when I do submit, you can see there was some nice loading indicator, and then you can see this hello Ashish was printed. So it has printed this exclamation mark with the multiple of intensity. If I do it 1, then it will print just one exclamation mark. So this is how we create simple interface. So suppose if I want to create a simple sentiment analysis app, then what I can do is, so I have used ChatGPT. So I have asked ChatGPT to create Gradio code for showing sentiment analysis labels in output. So it has created this code. So let me copy this code and paste it here. So now you can see our first line of the code is we are importing pipeline from transformers. If you have watched my previous videos on transformers, then you would understand we have created one YouTube video analysis, sentiment analysis project. So you can follow that video to understand more about this sentiment analysis. So it's very easy. We are using built-in model, pre-trained model from transformers. Then we create this method where we are accepting text as input. We are getting the result from the sentiment analysis. Then we are getting label, score, and we are returning a string. Okay. So let me run this, and in interface you can see again the first parameter is a function that we are going to call. The inputs is a, obviously right now text, and output is a text. Okay. So let me run this program again. 7861. Okay. So 7861. So I actually, let me stop this previously launched. So you can see it has automatically taken next port. Okay. So I have now closed the previous server 7860, and now 7861 is the new port, new app which is running. So let me type something here. So to do that, let me, so let's take example. I like his attitude towards learning new things. If this is a statement, and if I pass statement, then it says it's the sentiment is very positive. And if I say I did not like his attitude, you can see it's a negative statement with sentiment. So this is how it is easy to create your machine learning app using Gradio. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share, subscribe if you are liking the content.